Hello, welcome back to our channel, video channel. I want to show you this app on Telegram where you can earn free Dogecoin. Please, it's very important. This is free, not paying anything to join. You can see so far what is here, but you need to mine at least some quantities before you withdraw it. So all you need to do is to increase your mining power. And how do you do that? I'm going to show you a few ways to do it, and that is free. Now, as you see this one now look at the daily tax. This Rich App News. Every single day you can just click on it and read the news. Then you increase your mining power, share story, share on Twitter, and then you have all of these things. Some of these things you can just click. This one is just joining this bot. So many of love this. Just do any of these things and you increase your mining power. Then to make more, so you can also get your referral link here and invite more friends. Look at where you get your referral link, where you have friends here. So once you invite more persons, that helps you to increase your mining power to mine as much as possible, so you can make withdrawal. If you want to make withdrawal, click on wallet and then put in your wallet address and make withdrawal. So very, very simple. So I encourage you to do that. You're not paying anything, nobody's charging you anything. And remember what crypto is all about now. Little of these things can help in one little way or the other. So I encourage you to join and start earning right away. I'm going to drop the link, my own link. You can join through it and straight to your Telegram. You'll start mining this. If you still have a question, use the comment box. I'll be right there to help you. Thanks for watching.